today is Friday, the 24th of September, which is Global Climate Strike Day. So I'm going to go to my very first strike, and I'm going to be going alone because everyone's busy. So I was just going to show you guys what I'm going to be taking in my bag in case you want to go sometime. This is what I'm going to be taking. I hope it is everything I need. So we have a tote bag first of all. Then I have my sign that I made out of a pizza box. I wrote stuff on both sides. And then I have a bag with like some pills because I get headaches a lot, hand sanitizer, stuff like that. Then I have my negative COVID test, I should probably go in there. And I have an extra mask. I have my keys, my student ID for my flat. And then I have some lunch with me and a water bottle. And I hope that's gonna be all I need. So the strike is over now. I met some people there. I was with like a different university's like sustainability club because mine didn't go, and like I just moved, so I didn't know like anyone. But it was good that I went by myself, so I met some new people. And I'm just walking about the city now because it's such a nice day. I'm at Westminster currently, and yeah, I'm just enjoying my sunny day. Hi guys, I got back and from walking about in the city a little bit, so I'm just gonna clean my room a little bit to get ready for next week when my classes start. And I haven't got my timetable, so I'm a little worried, but I'll figure it out. And then tonight we're gonna go out, so I might put some clips in from the club we're going to. Probably not much. I also need to finish my blog post for tomorrow. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.